How's it going, YouTube? Back out with the ECX circuit 4x4. I did do some minor upgrades. I also went ahead and switched out the motor. I put that Mamba Monster because since I was using this for drag racing, I was getting a lot of stutter on takeoff. So I went ahead and snatched it out of the other car and put in the new MMX6S I got. And I'm gonna just run this as a basher. If I get any more problems, I'm gonna just hit up Castle and try to send it back. But this is the setup in here. Receiver's down there. That's how it's set up for now. So go ahead and do some shocks on the rear. I'm not jumping this. I'm just gonna run it on the grass and then probably take it to the on-road. So stay tuned. It is on 3S. All right, guys. Sorry about the wind. It's gonna be a little 3S run. We got some torque for 3S. This is like the same setup that I have in the Ruckus 4x4. The only difference is this can run 6S. I don't plan on running 6S on here. I'm gonna just turn this into whatever car. This ain't gonna jump it. I don't think it can hold up the jump. Should be able to run it on-road, off-road, whatever. All that kick on 3S, not bad. Just had the Exceed stock motor in here. It's a 2150. Cutting up. I mean, it doesn't have a lot of grip because of the tires, but she sure is handling. Ooh. There you go. Gotta make sure this 3S and not 4S. This thing hitting. But that ESC is definitely doing its job now. I mean, ain't getting no missing off the line. What? Turn it into a basher. It'll stay right in here. Feels good to run it though. I know the shock oil in here is too heavy. That's why I can't jump it. So right now we just gonna run it. Sideways. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Anyway, guys, we're probably gonna take it over there to the on-road. Got a few cars that we might do some on-road. As of right now, she handling nice. I like the setup in there. I don't think I'm gonna touch it. Just leave that right up in there. Alright, y'all. Save some of this battery for the on-road. So I'm still running a Ruckus. I mean a circuit. I just ain't jumping it, but still still running it in the meantime. This is a new battery I'm also breaking in since I blew up that last battery. See how we're doing a little jump. Nice little racer though. Yeah, 4x4. Oh. See, man, come on for all that to be happening now. Oh, lost the screw.